A mental disorder just means that you don't have full control over your thoughts. And there are many levels. People who go through that, they are rewarded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for their perseverance and their pain. Listen to the hadith, Sahih Muslim. Rasulullah said, any Muslim who goes through physical pain or sickness or ham means worry, or gham means stress and claustrophobia. You call it anxiety or depression if you like. Aw adha, or harm from people, whether physical or by words. Aw hazan, or any sadness. A sadness over a trauma in the past, or a calamity, or a tragedy. Sadness. حتى الشوكة يشاكها. Even the prick of a needle that just touches him or her, little prick of a needle. إلا كفر الله بها من خطايا. Except that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala expiates and washes away some of their sins.